Welcome to the Getting Started video for the Dashboard Builder. Before you get started, we do recommend you have a questionnaire with some responses available. Do note that the Dashboard Builder will not change any data, so there's absolutely no risk in using a questionnaire that you're actively using. It might be a bit easier though to have your first trial run on a shorter questionnaire. You can find the Dashboard Builder under the Distribution menu item by clicking on Dashboard Builder. Here you'll find all dashboards in your organization. You can make a new one by clicking Create Dashboard. You'll probably recognize this screen. Just pick the questionnaire you want to make a dashboard for and click Create Dashboard. A new dashboard is created and is pre-filled with some widgets. You can start working on this dashboard by clicking Enter Edit Mode at the top right corner of the screen. You can now start exploring, but we strongly recommend you keep following this guide to get acquainted with the new feature. At the top left, you'll see the Add Item button. When you click it, you'll see a menu of all available widgets. Have a look at the fancy ones later on. For now, we recommend you pick an easy one, like a pie chart. Just click on it to add it to your dashboard. The chart is added at the bottom of the dashboard and can now be configured. At the right, by default, you'll see the data sets available to you. If for some reason you don't see them, you can click the data icon to open the menu. Getting used to the data structure is probably one of the harder things you'll have to go through. We'll go over them in a different video. For now, just click on Question Answers. Doing so will open that dataset and give you a list of all variables that are part of question answers. Find the one labeled Answer and drag it towards the chart you just added. Once you pick it up, you'll see the interface highlighting locations where you can drop it. Drop it on the category box of the chart. Immediately, you'll see the chart getting filled with actual data available. However, as we didn't specify a question yet, it's showing data for all questions. To configure this chart for one specific question, hover over the chart to show the little menu pop up next to it. In there, click on the data icon all the way at the top. This will show you some data options on the chart itself. Click on Add Filter to adjust which data you want to show in the chart. In this modal window that pops up, you can click Add Filter, select Question Label from the first drop-down menu, select Is In the second drop-down menu, and then select the questions you want to include in this chart. You can set up very complex filters here on whatever data you included in the chart. However, we recommend using Is In when filtering on question labels, as you can then see the actual description you used in your questionnaire. When you're done, click Apply Filters. And again, you'll see the chart update to reflect the actual data. Now, correct as it may be, pie chart is hardly a useful name for this widget. Just click on the title and start typing to change it. There's lots of options available for all of the charts. To see and configure them, just hover over the chart again and click on the Settings button. This will open the Settings menu on the right side of the screen. Have a look and start configuring. You'll see the actual results in real time on the chart. And just like that, you can start customizing every single chart to match your preferences. Now you might want to place your chart somewhere else on the dashboard. To do that, just click and drag the icon on the top left of the chart and drop it wherever you want. You'll see the grid when you do so, as well as the shadow of the chart, which is where it will land if you let go. All other elements will move up or down automatically, and of course you can use the white rectangles around the chart to make it smaller or bigger. With this information, you should be able to get started building your first dashboards. Feel free to explore and experiment with the options available. If there's any more information or guidance you need, check out the help guides at help.pointerpro.com.